If you feel like the YouTube algorithm is ignoring you or not pushing out your video, then yes, it is ignoring you. But it's not because it hates you, I beg go. It's because you are not giving it what it wants. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what to do so the algorithm start noticing your content and finally start pushing out your videos. See, and let me bust your head. It will be divided what? Into 5 tips. But missing one tips means losing it all, like losing all the tips at the time. And best of it all, I'll also be sharing you a secret with someone from a YouTube expert. Or should I say, one of YouTube creators, insight worker.
Oh my gosh, the algorithm changed. I'm not getting as many views.
Okay, let me introduce him for you. In case you don't know who is that person. This is Todd. He works at YouTube. He knows how the YouTube algorithm works like the back of his hand. And best of it all, you will love this. You will love what I'm about to say. He is also friend with the biggest YouTuber alive, MrBeast. Hey! I don't catch it. That's it for everyone. So if there's anyone that knows how to get to the good side of the YouTube algorithm, then it should be Todd. And guess what? Todd shared 5 secret tips that I used to make my videos go viral. These videos. And I'm about to share it with you. Yes. And you will not hear it anywhere else or see it in another video. What I'm about to share with you, you will not see it in another video. And it is the last one that binds it all. So I advise you to watch it in alphabetical order. And if you want your small channel to turn into a very big channel, but if you choose to ignore these tips, then YouTube algorithm will keep ignoring you. Will keep ignoring you, and you'll keep struggling for views. So let's start. Number 1, the algorithm serves the viewers.
The main job of the algorithm is to serve the user when they show up. A lot of creators think about things from the creator perspective. Oh, well, I make a video and then YouTube pushes it out to a bunch of people. For the most part, recommendations and search don't get pushed out. They get kind of pulled from viewers.
So in other words about what he said, in case the English is not clear like mine, he said it is YouTube viewers or your subscriber that get to make the algorithm push out your videos. Yes, that's the summary of what he said. So to my next point, number 2, the most important signal. Let's say it's your subscriber that determines your video that goes viral. Yes, but if that's the case, how can a creator make sure that your video is one that show up for people to watch? How can you show it? Let's hear from Todd.
We use the watch history as probably the most important signal that we know about a viewer to figure out what they might want to watch next.
But did you even notice that we're getting closer to the answer? It is watch history. It is watch history you need to worry about. If you want your video to be pushed by YouTube algorithm, then you need to be in somebody watch history. And then you'll be like, how can I get into somebody watch history? Let me say, if you have already have maybe a few subscribers like 100, 10, 50 or more or less, then they are the one to watch your videos. Then you end up in those 10 people or 15 people watch history. So to my next point, number 3. What if you don't have a subscriber? What if you don't have any subscriber? Or what if, number 3, to my next point, number 3, what if you don't have any subscribers? And what if you have 0 subscribers? Then the algorithm has no idea who your content is for or who to pair your content with in the first place.
When we have absolutely no behavioral data, we're going to probably rely more on the metadata, the data that we have in terms of the title and the description. And I would say search is probably the first place for fresh videos. You upload a brand new video around Minecraft, we're going to consider that video when somebody searches for Minecraft based on the title and description.
In other words, so I guess I've answered the question already. You'll be in the watch history, that's what you need. So I guess you have answered the question. So your video will be on YouTube search, your title and thumbnail and your description. That's why I keep saying it every single time. Anytime I post a video, that your title and thumbnail is what is very important in your video. Because these are the things that people will see before they click on your video. Title and thumbnail is what people see before they click on your video. So these are the things you should focus on, that when you post, so that it will bring in viewers to start watching your video from zero. But if you're already doing it, but still you are not seeing any views, or you are still struggling, then you will love the last one, because that leads to my next point. Number 4, choose the right niche. Let Todd answer that question for you.
Discourage creators from trying to compete in the most competitive spaces in the world. And so rather than go after the Minecraft query, for example, you might want to find a niche that isn't already being served by a million other videos. As you search around, maybe use Google Trends, spend time looking at what viewers see and see where can you produce the best video that's going to be better than what's already there, because that's where the opportunity is.
One thing I love about that is that he's saying the truth. He's not sugarcoating anything for you. He's calling a spade a spade. Yes. YouTube is inevitably a competitive space. At the end of the day, your success on YouTube is going to depend on you making videos that stack up against the competition you have. But that's not how YouTube works. But that's not how it works on YouTube. So as a content creator, you have to be thoughtful and strategic about which content you need to enter, which niche you need to enter into before you start. Yes, which niche do you need to enter before you start your content creating? And that leads to my last point, number 5, which is number 5. Don't rely on YouTube alone. Because Todd said something that gave me a very shocking wave on my body.
Wouldn't rely entirely on YouTube as the only way to drive attention to your content. Identifying other places where your content might be relevant. Could be everything from Facebook groups, Discord servers, Twitter, etc. Seed your video in places where you are going to get some watch history and kickstart that signal.
Did you see that you have to promote your videos yourself first before YouTube help you to? So don't let anyone lie to you that you should not promote your video anywhere. Let YouTube do it for you. Don't promote your video. See. But that does not mean you should not spam promoting your video, going around into Discord, Twitter. So instead of this, you start spamming your video up and down. No. So instead, be relevant. So that what you should do is go to where your community is hanging out, where people are having problem, and make a video that could help them solve a problem that they're having there. So if you wish to disregard everything that I've been saying since, then you might end up paying for it, because YouTube is not exactly going to know who your content is for. So please be careful and thoughtful when you are sharing your link or content outside YouTube. Shall you hear me? Be thoughtful when you are sharing your link outside YouTube. Not just that you just gonna share it there, you just gonna do podcast spill. You said to everybody in your contact. It's not everybody that watch it too. That's not to share a link. You need to go to all this Facebook group where you know okay, some people want to open YouTube, small YouTuber stuff, all this kind of thing. That's how you do it, and you can go viral. You can grow your channel like that. So I hope you found this video helpful. So I hope you found these 5 tips Todd shared with us in this video helpful. And I will see you in my next video. And if you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section. Leave a question if you have any question. Sorry. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And I am really bye. Bye.